2 is clean up your act. Ditch toxic foods, toxic substances, toxic relationship dynamics, and toxic energy from your life. Don't accept any more ruts, mofo. What I like to do is try and live by wonderful mind-body expert Dr. Deepak Chopra's 4 daily intentions. Number 1 is joyful, energetic body. So you're feeding yourself clean foods, you're ditching the toxic substances, you're nourishing, you're energizing, you're moving, you're exercising. Number 2 is loving, compassionate heart. This is realizing that everyone, all of us, just want attention, acceptance, and validation for who we really are, and giving that energy out to others every single day. Number 3 is reflective, quiet, alert mind. This is how you honor your intuition and access that wonderful flow state, being quiet enough to access intuition rather than being busied and distracted all the time. And Deepak makes an important point that eternal peppiness and positivity is not what we're talking about here, because that in itself is a source of stress. That was a big one for me to accept, but reflective, quiet, alert mind is being present, being intuitive, and honoring that. Number 4 is lightness of being, and he's talking about mindfulness here, appreciating the present, staying present, rather than defaulting into that too common state of FOMO, fear of missing out, where you have depression about your past, anxiety about your future. Just being present and having that lightness of being that every day is a wonderful gift to enjoy and appreciate.